Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? Hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. Y'all are greatly appreciated. So today we'll be changing this light, guys. As you can see, it's broken. So okay guys, to get this job done, you'll need a 11mm deep socket. We see the ratchet or impact driver. We need our crimping tool to cut our wires and also to crimp our butt connectors, or you can use spade connectors, whichever guys, and also our replacement tail light, which we'll be doing on the left driver side. So okay guys, so our impact driver is not going to fit back there, so we're going to be using our ratchet and a 11mm deep socket. Alright guys, so we just place our nuts over here. Okay guys, so now we can just pull our whole assembly out and cut our wires as closer as possible. Or here we go, they already disconnected, so that's a good thing. So now we can unpackage our new tail, brake and park light assembly. Alright guys, so what we're going to do next, we're going to match the yellow to the yellow and the brown to the brown, and that's where we're going to use our butt connector so that we can connect the lights. So I'll be using 16 gauge butt connectors, which will run from both ends, and I'll crimp it then. So let's get it guys. Okay guys, so we probably can strip a bit more of the plastic off this wiring, just a tad bit. This crimping tool is not the best guys, but it will get the job done. So okay guys, so I can't seem to find my good crimping tool, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my needle nose pliers. Just push that on, and then we're going to use the cutting part to slightly go down on it, not too much to where it's going to cut it guys. You just want it to create that seal where the wire won't come out. So there we go. So now we can connect our other butt connector. Okay guys, so we get our other butt connector on, and then we just want to crimp that down. And then again, using our cutting part just to slightly go down on it, not too hard guys, where we'll cut it, and that should be good. So That's step one. I'm sorry about that, guys. The phone started to overheat and stopped recording. So simple, guys, just do the following for the same two wires here, and you just crimp them, and then we can mount or assemble it back to the bracket, and then we can connect it and test it and see if we are getting light. And make sure, guys, this your marker side should be pointing out on whatever side you're putting it on. So I was about to do that wrong. So that is it, guys. We just mount our two locking nuts, and then we're good to go. So now all we have to do, guys, is just tighten these down, and then we test it. You don't need to over tighten them, guys, just get them snug. Okay, guys, there it is. So you just do the same thing. If you have a broken tail light, guys, save yourself a ticket, save yourself the trouble, and just do the right thing, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers, thanks to all our subscribers. Y'all are greatly appreciated. God bless. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. I see you all on the next one.